Here.
Thank you.
She's adding now tapioca
Yeah, but we have more
to this.
Originally, we're all going to do everything in here, and then more people signed up. We put people on a wait list.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. So, it's our first time doing a class like this, so it's hard to know what to expect, so I'm thrilled.
Yeah, I mean, unless everybody wanted to just
I
stand,
appreciate you guys being, flexible. This is fun.
It's fun for us.
Great.
Wait, I need to
What do you
start. I need to
Where did
stir
it go?
for this. I think it's on the table over there. Okay, so I just added a little more milk to it because
We
it's
took it
too
out there.
pasty. And it's not going to set anyway on its own. I still need to add the tapioca starch to it. And one of the things that when it starts heating, add the sugar because the sugar is going to make it a little more
Here we
dilute.
go, spatula. Actually,
thank you.
so we have my spatulas over there, so
So I'm going to add about a cup of sugar. I personally only use organic sugar, but that's just my preference because I stay away from anything that is refined, processed,
Even for baking?
even for baking. This is all we use at home, either this or honey or agave nectar.
It's good to know. Good. I'm learning. My children are vegetarian. I'm not. But I know that they always look out for things that have jelly, and they will not buy that.
Yeah.
Like you
I
were
mean, they
saying.
do have vegetarian, gelatin these days, but you have to know what it is. They
Right.
call it carrageenan, which is actually
Right.
comes from the seaweed. You can use agar-agar, which is your gelatin substitute. They sell the flakes, agar-agar flakes, which is exactly like gelatin, but you have to. It's not as easy as gelatin powder, where you can just mix it in a little bit of water and instantly it's going to dissolve. This one takes a little longer to dissolve. So if you put it in a little bit of warm water, the agar-agar flakes will just become gelatinized, and you add it to your puddings and stuff. This will just take a few minutes, but in the meantime, we're going to take tapioca powder, starch. I get these in the Asian supermarket, and the brand that I grew up using, thank God they still have them. It's actually a Thai brand. And it's just a tapioca starch. It's actually really good quality. And all you want is a tablespoon mixed in with cold water. Don't use hot water because it's going to get clumpy.